If you want to power off your Motorola Moto G87, but you want to do that without touching the screen because it is broken, it doesn't work, or for any other reason, then what you can do is you can perform forced restart of the phone and go to the fast boot mode. So what you need to do is you want to press and hold the power button, and once you shut down the phone, once the screen turns off, you can start also pressing and holding the volume down button. So you will have to press power and volume down button, and you will have to hold both of them. So I'm gonna press and hold the power button first, and let's wait for the screen to shut down to restart the phone. And after like 7 seconds or so, start pressing and holding the volume down button as well. And just keep holding, and there we go, now we are in the fast boot mode. Now over here in the fast boot mode, we can navigate by using volume buttons, so you can keep using either of these buttons to find power off, and once you see it, just press the power button. And then the phone is going to be off. The next time you turn the phone on, you'll be back in the normal mode. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.